Marissa Hoffman, and I'm from Billings, Montana.
I'm Bailey Cook. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada.
So coming to Snap Retreat, what has been your guys' favorite part?
Photo shoots, excursions, and meeting new people.
Yeah, meeting new people for sure, getting to work with them, shoot with them, kind of learn how the different styles are, and the excursions, of course, that's really fun.
Speaking of excursions, which ones were your favorite, each of you?
The temple.
Okay.
I love the garden. The
And,
garden was really pretty.
and what is one memory or a funny story that when you go back on the airplane and on your way home that you'll always remember?
I missed my flight.
I want to say the dinner night. That's definitely a night to remember. The farewell. My name is Harley Miller. I'm from Laurel, Mississippi.
And what has been your favorite part of Snap Retreat?
All of the photo shoots and the excursions. I liked all the girls. They were all super nice, but I met a best friend and her name is Morgan.
Are you going to come to Snap 2020?
Definitely.
Alyssa Kessel, I'm from Florida.
And what has been your favorite part of Snap Retreat 2019?
My favorite part of Snap Retreat 2019 has got to be the waterfall excursion that we did. We had such beautiful content that I got from it. I made some new friends, and it was the most surprisingly beautiful part of the trip.
And because you came to 2018 and now you came to 2019, what makes you keep coming back? What makes this something that you want to come to every year?
First of all, Army is my family, and when I get to travel the world with my family, that makes it worth it all in all together. Second of all, I love traveling, and then just the content that I get from it, the self-development that I get from it is 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend it for anyone.
Thank you. And if you were talking to somebody who is considering Snap Retreat, and you could give them and tell them just a little bit about what we do and the reasons we do it, what would you say to them?
If I were to come in contact with anyone who's considering Snap 2020, I would say full send into it. Do it 100%. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn a lot about yourself. You're going to learn a lot about your brand, who you are. You're going to learn a lot about the business that goes into it. A lot of people think that it's just modeling, it's just looking pretty in front of a camera, but there's so much more to it, and that's the part that's so enticing, and that keeps people coming back for more.
My name is Lexi Miles with Miss Miles Media. I'm from Springfield, Missouri.
And what has been your favorite part of Snap Retreat?
Oh, my favorite part is getting hands-on experience with all of these talented people. Checking things off my bucket list, like scuba diving today. I got to touch a sea anemone. It was incredible. And taking pictures of beautiful people in a beautiful place. Considering coming to Snap Retreat, I would say definitely come. It is 100% worth it. Our MEA is incredible to work with. The staff has been super kind. They answer all of your questions. And I've learned so much. I don't know. It's hard to describe.
I'm Morgan Franz, and this is my mom.
Hi, I'm Jody.
And where are you guys from?
I'm from Watford City, North Dakota, so cold.
And what has been your favorite part about Snap Retreat so far?
Probably all the excursions, even though the bus ride was really long. The super beautiful locations made it worth it in the end.
And if you could choose one of your favorite excursions, what would be your favorite excursion?
Probably the waterfall, just because the lighting was super pretty and it was like your own little cavern, and it was really super, super pretty.
And Jody, as a parent, why did you decide to let Morgan come to Snap Retreat?
Oh
my gosh, it's been such an amazing experience with Snap Retreat and all the different areas that we've been to, and having the chance to come to this area. It is amazing, absolutely beautiful, from the staff welcoming you to the great food to the beautiful rooms, beaches. Yeah, it's an experience that we'll never forget.
And have you seen a difference with what Morgan's learned and who she is by coming to events like this?
Oh yeah, she has grown so much, and just the amazing friends that she's met, the memories. I mean, it'll last a lifetime. No one gets to do this, so it's been a great experience, absolutely.
And why would you recommend to come in, for somebody else to come to Snap Retreat?
Oh boy, again, just to gain the experience. If you have a chance to come here, you have to come. We were hesitant about it, and I have no regrets. We have forever friends and memories that'll last a lifetime.
You also meet people that have the same experiences you do too, like same with photographers even. You find a group of people that have the same set of goals you do, so it's just fun to meet people that way too.
Perfect. Thank you guys. I'm gonna miss you guys.
Miss you.
Hi guys, I'm Rebecca Lyons, and this has been absolutely a most amazing experience, eye-opening in every way. I learned a lot from the retreat. We had a day of education which was immaculate. I learned so much photo movement. It was super helpful, and then after that we got to go shoot and have fun. So that is like my one thing I'll definitely recommend for you guys to do, is come, because you learn so much and it's like quick, and you learn it like that in 6 because it's not really long. So it doesn't go in one ear out the other, you know. But my favorite thing would definitely be the volcano. Like I just got goosebumps talking about it.
I am from Montana, and my name is Caroline, and I have Caroline Antoinette Photography. Definitely consider coming if you are a photographer, even if you are into videography, because you could do videos, or modeling, because it will not only build friendships, it helps you gain confidence, build your portfolio, and overall just really grow your confidence and build relationships, and I think that's important in this industry.
Hi, my name is Catherine Gunlock. I am from Missoula, Montana.
And why did you decide to come to Snap Retreat?
I decided to come to Snap Retreat because I wanted an experience where I could go out and be shooting not only as a model but as a photographer as well, and just an amazing place with an amazing culture, just to experience new things.
And if you could choose one of your favorite things that you experienced in Bali, what would it be?
It's a really hard one. There are so many amazing things. I'd probably pick like all the sunsets. They're just all beautiful.
Okay. And if you were to run into somebody who is considering coming to Snap Retreat and they asked you, what would you tell them?
I would say that it's definitely worth it, if for nothing else than for the friendships that you make here. The people are all so nice and so amazing, and I do believe that they're going to be lifelong friends.
Hey, I'm Ian. I'm from Chicago. I'm a photographer here at Snap Retreat.
And what has been your favorite part about this experience coming to Snap Retreat?
My favorite part was probably getting soaked in the waterfall in the fluid, or climbing Mount Victoria this morning with Andy and everybody. It was great.
And if you had somebody talk to you about Snap Retreat and ask if they should go, what would you tell them and why?
Hands down, sign up now.
And if you could have, as a photographer coming in, what were you hoping to learn and gain out of this experience?
I really wanted to have some experience with models in a directing sense that I hadn't had before. I wanted to shoot in amazing, beautiful locations. Bali is one of the most Instagram locations on earth. It makes total sense to drop some models and some great photographers in and get some great work. So that's what happened.
Hi there.
Hi.
And introduce yourself, name and where you're from.
My name is Lane Tripp. I'm from Los Angeles, California.
And what has been your favorite part of Snap Retreat?
The photo shoots and the excursions.
And you came to last year's Snap Retreat and now you came again. So as somebody who's returning, what makes you keep coming back?
You kind of make a whole family when you're here for a whole week with all these people, and it's a lot of fun.
And what?
I'm Rebecca Faith. I'm from Ennis, Montana.
And I am Michelle Cook. I'm also from Ennis, Montana.
And what has been one thing once you leave that you will definitely be taking with you when it comes to like your experience?
Oh wow. There's too many of them.
For me, I would say all the tips that I've gotten from photographers, just, you know, really learning how to model and work the camera and everything.
Me, I guess, finally starting to be a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera. Not quite where she is yet, but I'm starting to get there.
That's wonderful. And as mother and daughter, what's been your favorite mother-daughter moment and memory and or story while you've been here?
Well, running through the rain in the rude monkey
Yeah,
forest.
when we went to the monkey forest and had to run through the rain.
And we were so drenched by the time we were still sopping wet by the time we got back here to the resort. What, 2 hours later?
Yeah.